Welcome to Amazon's best barbell clamps showcase. Today, we're about to unveil the epitome of strength and safety for your weightlifting routine. Whether you're a powerlifter, bodybuilder, or fitness enthusiast, we've got the perfect barbell clamps for you. Nordic lifting barbell clamps are designed for quick and easy use, and they offer a firm grip to keep weights secure while you lift. Black Pro Barbell Olympic barbell colors are sturdy and versatile, suitable for various types of Olympic bars. They ensure your weights stay in place securely. Lockjaw barbell clamps are popular for their quick-release design, making them easy to install and remove. They provide a snug fit to your barbell. Strainho barbell colors offer a combination of strength and reliability. They are designed to prevent weights from shifting during lifting sessions. Lockjaw Pro barbell colors are known for their secure grip, durability, and ease of use. They are perfect for keeping weights in place during intense workouts.